The #1 secret to taking a good photo of a car is... Hope y'all are having a great weekend. Was gonna take this bad boy out to the beach, get some good pictures today since it is nice and sunny for once. Yes, it's January in San Diego and it's beautiful outside. Is anybody surprised? Not really. But first I had to fix this damn chip in the windshield. I'm using one of those little Rain-X windshield chip repair things. Unfortunately, a beautiful ZL1 going about 120 miles an hour through the desert as we were carving up the canyons just decided to throw a massive rock up at my windshield, so gonna go ahead and fix this shit before we head out to the beach. Was gonna do a camera review today on this thing, taking the drone out, getting some awesome footage on the sand, so let's get this fixed first and then we'll head out there. Woo! Well, it certainly isn't perfect, but it's better than where it was, so I don't know. I'll take it. Off to the beach. Holy shit, look at all these badass kite surfers out here. I didn't even know this was a thing. Wow. Alright guys, we made it out here, Fiesta Island. I swear, this is one of the most beautiful places to take pictures. It's awesome. You can drive literally right onto the sand, up to the water. You can drive your car into the water if you really want to. Unfortunately, there's a lot of tourists and homeless campers and shit like that all down, so it's a little bit crowded, but I mean, you frame that baby nice, you get the right shots, I'll tell you what. That's for the thumbnail. So I got out here and I wanted to just take some pictures, but when I got out here I thought of a fantastic idea, which seems kind of dangerous, but I think it would be smart. So this whole island is just a one-way road all the way around, and I'm gonna take the drone up here in a quick second, show you guys what it looks like. But I was thinking on a cold day, like when there's nobody out here, we'll just set up cars all the way around the island, maybe throw up some cones or something like that. We'll take the drone up and we'll do a time trial all the way around, and we'll race some different Camaros just because it is one way, so we know we're not gonna run into anybody. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, we're gonna take the drone up here in a quick second, and I've always wondered what's out there on that island. So, you know, why not fly over there and see what's going on? Ooh, looks like we got another Camaro boy out here. All right, I see you, Yellow. Alright, we driving down the road here. Like I said, it's a one-way road. I think this island is perfect for a little makeshift track day here. By the way, quick review on this camera. I love this thing so much. You can put an external microphone up top. The camera is great for beginners who want to, you know, shoot some cars or maybe just take some great Instagram photos because it's so user-friendly. I mean, it's a $750 camera. It's not super top of the line, but at the same time, it tells you how to use the camera. When you go into each of the different modes, and I'll put pictures here, it actually tells you what they mean, because I have no idea what the aperture and shutter speed and all that shit means. So the camera does a great job of explaining it, and it's also got awesome picture potential, as well as videos. You know, if you guys want to shoot some Instagram videos as well, I think this is a great intermediate camera for that type of stuff. So if that's something you guys have interest in, what I will do is put a link below in the description, and also I'll put a link below for my drone if anybody's wondering for same thing, kind of like an intermediate drone. It's a 4K drone, DJI. It's not like the $1,000 one. Totally reasonable just for recreation. I'll also put a link to that down below. All right, we're gonna do a quick pull here. Totally broke it loose. Oh my God. I swear to God, that never gets old. So like I said, it's awesome out here. You can literally just pull your car right down onto the sand, take pictures, you can camp out, do burnouts, donuts, whatever you like to do. Either way, awesome area. And we've got SeaWorld actually right over there for anybody wondering like where we are. All right, so I'm gonna pull right down. I hate driving into the rocks. Oh God, oh shit, oh boy. You gotta do what it takes for the photograph, you know what I'm saying? All right, so I'm gonna get out, take some more pictures, show you what those look like, and we'll be on our merry way. The #1 secret to taking a good photo of a car is location. Who gets to take pictures by the beach? A lot of people on Instagram that send me DMs saying, man, I hate you. I'm driving my Camaro in the snow or the rain right now. I feel you guys. I really do. But at the same time, I love bringing my Camaro to the beach. I'm sorry. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, go ahead and do that so you can see all these pictures. I'm going to post a few here. But, go ahead and hit that follow button on Instagram if you'd like to. By the way, some quick tips for people looking to get into car photography that I learned to kind of give you that blurry background. #1, turn the aperture all the way down on your camera. If you don't have a DSLR, a great trick that you can use is the zoom feature, and you can also use this on a DSLR. So back the camera up, zoom it in, and focus on the actual car, and by stretching the lens out, it makes the background even blurrier. And no joke, we've got a rolling tumbleweed. So fucking random, I swear. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anybody down in the San Diego area or anybody's close who wants to come do a photo shoot with me, hit me up. I'm more than happy to do that, and I'll also take some pictures of your car. I'm not one of those people that's on Instagram, $50, $100 for my great photo skills because I've got a great camera. Nah, I'd be more than happy to shoot your guys' cars for free and send you the photos. So shoot me a DM on Instagram. Like I said, if you don't already follow me, at Marcoon13. And as always, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I know some of you haven't already, so make sure to do that, and I will see you on the next one. I'm not this time.